Good morning, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company, Portland, Oregon, coming to you live. It is 7/14, Tuesday, July. That's 7, but you knew that. Focus today, business basics, getting this product to market, tasks, make the smaller hook and check if it looks right, then work on the product SKU and pricing. Challenges for today, we got a doctor's appointment this morning and a mediation thing this afternoon, so that one of those is going to make it a pretty emotional and possibly distracted day, but it is what it is. Let's get it done. 14 hours later. All right, take two. Evening check-in. What did we get done? We got the hooks done. Came out good. I think we just did the ratio of the 4 inches to the 2.5 inches and applied that to the other properties on the hook, and they seem to be about right. This part top's obviously a little too tall, but I just grabbed whatever scrap was in there. Lessons today, I don't know. Today's one of those days that you just get through. What's next? Product SKU. What are the exact materials that we'll be offering? The range of dimensions, the hook counts. We already know the materials of the metal stuff's going to be stainless steel. And that's it. And then start working on the pricing once we know all that stuff. Wins today. We got the hooks done first try. Came out good. We don't got to go back and forth and try something else. Quick check-in or a quick check-out. Later.